It's 4. It's 4 o'clock, and we're waiting for the mob now. Let's see if she panics and drives the opposite direction. Let's see. Is it waiting game? Shouldn't be that much longer. Shouldn't be much longer. Let's see. Get a better view at the mob. There we go, community gang stalking, on command signal. That's it right there, okay? On command signal, community gang stalking. Purpose, well, the mob. Somebody else. We are waiting for the mob. I think that's delivery. We are waiting and we are focused. Here you go. There she is. The mob, Board of Education, District 99, employee female. Eye contact. She didn't hesitate. Instructions given on command signal. High-tech surveillance monitor, very aware of my location and activities. He's warming up the car. Here we go. Covering her face. Covering her face. That's it. I think that's community gang stalking. I think that's community gang stalking right there. Instructions given, community gang stalking, same time frame. This is organized crime. There we go. San Cicero Police Department order of protection continues. That's the license plates. That's not by coincidence, folks. San Cicero Police Department order of protection continues. Escort. Front row escort to community gang stalking. This is not by accident. Instructions given. San Cicero Police Department order of protection continues. Recording in public view. Again, this is not by accident. San Cicero Police Department, harassment continues. There you go. Keep moving. Well, order of protection continues. Homeowner Martinez's son right here. Instructions given. And That's it. We're moving on. I gotta get back to my cooking. Well, there you have it, folks. Nothing happens by accident. And this is the daily bright light harassment. See? And this is, of course, is what the police officer is going to document once they manipulate the family to react. Daily family confrontation and conflict. Okay, order of protection, that's how it works. Bait, focus, follow. The mob, Board of Education, District 99. Place the phone call. Pre-planned attack. Bait, focus, follow. The mob waiting for me. And community gang stalking, red truck right in front of the squad car for reassurance that I am gonna bait, focus, follow. Order of protection continues. Manipulation, confrontation. Community gang stalking is responding in the background. As always, interrupting me while speaking on my YouTube channel. 4:11 p.m., October 17th, 2024, Thursday. Order of protection continues. That's right, folks. This is real. This is the only way. Well, there's various ways, of course. But the main objective of the order of protection is to manipulate family conflict, confrontation, concern, and to stop me from recording and uploading videos of 5130 and 5132. Especially after school children are involved. We're going to continue focusing, folks. And that was a bait, focus, follow, attention span. The mob involved in the order of protection with community gang stalking, red truck, and Town Cicero Police Department right behind. Ready? False arrests, set up traps, court dates, but the most important of all, pre-enrollment mental health hospital begins once the family members are manipulated to create conflict, concern, and confrontation. Constant mental health hospital evaluation, victims lose their credibility. Family, friends withdraw, news media withdraw. This is exactly what organized crime family is aiming at, and this is their main objective. Their intentions are very, very clear. Nothing happens by accident here, folks. This is real. This is planned daily attacks. And the bright light harassment is part of it because it will be documented by the police officers involved in this criminal activity. And this is to ensure that the victim is enrolled in the mental health facility to avoid any blame, any open investigation regarding cause of death, overtime exposure to electronic harassment frequencies used to promote, provoke, movement, reaction, response, yelling, running out of control, kicking, screaming, public outbursts, constantly shocking the brain from any electrical source outlet. This is a high-tech surveillance monitor called Army Apparatus Tracking. There's a squad car again. A different, undercover squad car. Town Cicero. While speaking undercover squad car, right here. Undercover squad car of Thomas Route. They're making their rounds. So, manipulation is a very big key as far as this criminal organization manipulate businesses, remain in control, silent victims. Nursing home final faith, identity theft Medicaid takes place, big money payday. The younger the victim, the bigger the payoff. Public service. That's right, folks. How to avoid a victim. This is how they maintain control. This is how they're able to silence their victims. Manipulation of victims. Victims are being followed from their businesses home. Daily attacks, social acting, community gang stalking, red light harassment, manipulate family, conflict, confrontation. Unsolved murder cases of identity theft Medicaid. Victims are manipulated, coerced, and preconditioned. Okay, we're moving on. It's 4:16 p.m., October 17th, 2024, Thursday. Order of protection continues. Moving on. And the murder plot, of course, daily electronic harassment. We have Anthony J. Loader coming in and out of this 5130 behind the murder plot. And we also have him yelling, trying to create bait, focus, follow, attention span, surprise advantage once I react by looking outside the window. We have him on video as well. So slowly, the wheels are turning and the public is starting to notice what's really going on. This is a public service for educational purposes only. We appreciate your support. To avoid being a victim of unsolved murder cases of identity theft Medicaid. Moving on, appreciate your support.